Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are covering a very important topic, which is what we take with us to theme parks, our top 5 things.
Yeah, number one will surprise you. First off, what are these called?
Crossbody bags.
Crossbody bags. You know, you put them around you.
Yeah.
Boom. And then everything you need is right in here. And we're going to show you. So number 5 would be this, is necessary.
Yes, these are super nice. They're super handy. They fit perfectly in the lockers at Universal. I tend to use a smaller one because Mike will use a bigger one. But we did go in the winter, so I'm going to look into getting a bigger one possibly.
I'm actually downgrading. This one is smaller for me. My other one,
yes,
it was big, but...
I want to go a little bit bigger just because I was having difficulties with one this size, especially like for sunscreen and stuff. So...
Also, like, you used to use Loungeflies a lot, but you transitioned?
Yes. So the Loungeflies are great for Disney World. At Universal, though, their locker situation and, like, bag situation is not nearly as, like, friendly.
Universal.
Yeah, and they're more thrill rides, so they don't want you to bring a lot on the rides, which is totally understandable.
So, there's that. Next, number 4.
Number 4, it's all conveniently in Mike's bag.
Which one was it that we placed it?
I don't know if it really matters.
I guess it doesn't matter. Fuel rod.
Fuel rod.
These things are great because A, it charges your phone. You get at least a couple, cycles to charge your phone,
Yes.
which you probably doesn't even matter because you know why? Tell them why.
You can change them out at the parks. Disney, it's free. Universal, it's $3, but the $3 is totally worth it for just the convenience of being able to go up to a machine and switch it out.
Super small, compact.
Also, what's really neat with us is we had the old version, and then we went to Disney when they upgraded to the newer version, and we were able to swap right then and there, and they gave us the newer version with only USB-Cs, which is great.
Yeah, and they give you all the attachments you need just in case you don't have the right fit. So either if you're an Android or an iPhone user like us, definitely a must-have.
Yes. Up next is a fan.
This one is highly recommended on Amazon.
Yes.
And you know what? We got it just to test it out for you guys in this video.
It's great. So it's got 2 different charging ports. I believe it will actually charge your phone too if you really need it to. And then what's also great about this one is there's 2 different speeds. But I love how the blades fold down and then
boom. Looks like
it's so nice in a Loungefly. And bonus, hold down the power button. Don't want to blind you guys, but it's a flashlight.
Here, better example.
Flashlight. Oh yeah.
You can see it, but this thing is really bright.
I had the circles in my eyes when Mike shot it at me.
Yeah, it's crazy. But, happily ever after, you're sitting there watching the fireworks and you drop something on the ground, you're like, boom.
No, don't do it during happily ever after.
No, I meant after. Like, just look on the ground for whatever you're missing. All
right, up next, I'm going to go in blind.
Ooh,
this is a lifesaver for us. It is my pill container. I keep my ibuprofen, Tums, all the essentials that you're going to need, motion sickness, anything you can think of.
Ibuprofen is a must-have because, 20,000
Your feet are going to hurt. Your feet are going to hurt. That theme park food, you guys all know, is going to hurt your stomach. You're going to need those Tums. Also, like, one of us always gets a cold or has some sort of allergy attack or some sort of sinus attack. So I always have like a couple cold and flu, a couple sinus, and a couple allergies just so we have something so we don't have to worry about getting to the store right away.
And finally, bonus.
My bonus tip, a pop socket. So these things are so nice. They make it so you can't drop your phone pretty much. They're going to hold your phone steadier for photos, videos, whatever you're going to need it for.
And lastly, before I show you, everything we're going to show you today is listed in the description to our Amazon link. Now, it does help us get a little bit of something, a few cents on the dollar there, nothing crazy, but it does support the channel, and we appreciate it if you guys do click that link. But this thing has been a lifesaver. And you're like, what the hell is it? Well,
it's a magnet.
It's a MagSafe for your phone. Amy, let's do it on yours. Boom. Selfie stick. Magnet here, so you can just glue it onto a wall. Swivels, so you can go this way.
And it's also a clip, which is super nice.
That too. We've used it on the cruise videos. We used it at Universal. And we're going to continue to using that thing.
Yeah, this thing is a lifesaver. It was only, $27, I think?
And it's heavy duty.
It's heavy duty. I steal Mike's all the time. I need to just invest in my own. And it's also a carabiner.
Yeah.
So you can just hook it right onto your bag if you really wanted to.
That's true. We never used that feature, but you could.
You could. But it's usually honestly, it's usually on one of our phones.
Every video you've seen, long form content wise, that's been used.
Yes, this 100%. Thing is typically our stand.
Even at Buc-ee's.
Yes, it's great. It's been a lifesaver. And it folds out to a tripod as well.
So that thing is a must-have, especially if you're just taking pictures. It helps stabilization. Even if you need a little bit of a selfie stick to take that
Yes, it's
picture.
great for those like 0.5s.
But like I said, it's magnetized. Now I'm not saying stick it on the side of a ride cart by any means, because
No,
don't do that. You'll be kicked out.
But like your railings, your light poles, if you see like like the monorail shot. Like if you want to get the monorail shot with the Epcot ball, there's trash cans everywhere in the area. Just stick it on the trash can. Or you can set it up as a tripod on top of the trash can. It's great.
Yeah, like I said, these things are all listed. I mean, my favorite thing is that last thing, hands down.
Yes. This is a lifesaver, and fuel rods are a lifesaver for us. And what's also great about fuel rods is you can recharge them at the end of the night too, which I don't think we said that we do.
We've actually I don't even charge them, because by the time I go to the park, I just swap them out.
Yeah, usually we'll just need to swap it, and it's
And then I have a fresh one already.
right.
So
I mean, at Universal, we try to charge it a little bit more, just so we don't have to pay that extra $3.
Yeah.
But the $3 is worth it if needed.
If you're really on your phone that much, that's crazy. But
We try really hard to stay there and in the moment and off of our phones. So,
but yeah, 100%. These are the 5 must-haves and that tidbit. So yeah,
yeah.
stay tuned for the next one. See you guys.
Bye.